Okay, Shab, let's look at the first question. Here okay. You are quiet. So we're working which is 2x plus 1 plus 1 over 3 equal to 5 subtract 1 over 2x. Again, this is the first question. Again, Loring we were given. So the first thing Loring already Ramoki. Ndoma Tom, wabana this part yake highlight lemo. The part yake highlight leng. Sanjori read gore ebe under 1 denominator. So okay, I can copy this part and paste it somewhere. Let me paste it somewhere. Okay, yeah, this part. Read gore ebe under 1 denominator again. So row multiplier this whole thing like row multiplied 5a got 2 again. Then in yaba 5 minus x because 1 x limo ono tshwana le ge ile ka godimo. So this thing is the same as okay so is the same as it's tshwana le ge ile so. God, it's half x. Half x, you can take x ka godimo then in washala ka 2. So the first thing here we did go multiply this thing ka 2, like or rebel 1 denominator. So yeah, meaning arrow multiply ka 2 robale okay. Robale something like this. Which is 2x plus 1 over 3 equal to 10 times 5. Ikera 2 times 5 kabokai? 10.
10.
So meaning we'll have 10 subtract x over 2. So once so then the next step would require cross multiplication, which will be 2 times then 3 times agaku. Yes. So raro vale 2 into rochia 2 ra multiply 2x plus 1 then rachia 3 ra multiply 10 minus x. So raro va 2 into 2x plus 1 equal to 3 into 10 subtract x. Meaning RD ka di brackets. So this side kamo valid 2 times 2x, which is 4x then 2 times 1, which is 2, and then this side, 3 times 10 is 30, minus 3x. RD, RE kopanche the like terms, ready group. So where the group, Rogia minus 3x, Ramuisha Kamoki, then Rajia 2, Raisha across. So minus 3x across equals sign over plus 3x equal to 30 plus 2 across equals sign, meaning we change a sign yaba subtract 2. Then do barking addition, 4 plus 3 ke 7, is it? So rar gamoro shalaka 7x, then 3 minus 30 minus 2 okay, 28. Okay, fine. 7x equal to 28. Let's divide the whole equation by 7, or get the value of x. So 28 divided by 7, I'm still waiting. Shadi,
Huh?
which is your question? Sure, bro. Do you mind using earphones? Do you mind using earphones? Hello?
Hello.
Currently 28 divided by 7 kabukai, and you are quiet. Eh?
Take 4.
Okay, sure. Meaning that our x equal to 4. And you can always check for is x equal to 4 or what? If you go back to the original equation, mo wanang x will replace ka 4. Eke dila ka the left hand side first and replacing breaking x by 4. Kishala ka 3 again. So let me go to the right and see what kishala ka bakai. In part 3, meaning the left is equal to the right. So, arrow. So So our x value is equal to 2. It's equal to 4.
Okay.
So let's do the second one. The second equation, ke file motho ra trick a shumisha quadratic equation, and a quadratic equation I bereke, or yeah, quadratic equation I bereke. Really leave your answer correct to 2 decimal places. It's either you're going to use a quadratic formula or method by completing a square. So that person I gets a loring which ya kaita be I really. So this is the equation area squared equal to, and in bracket barre correct 2 decimal places. That is what we're given. You have to solve x correct and leave your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So sharp. Let's work it out. First, linga a method by completing a square, and then after that, ka barke. Mose ranking to
Quadratic.
eh
In quadratic.
quadratic mostly let's say, and I'm sure you got this one right.
Obvious.
Eh?
They're obvious.
Yeah. So is it necessary or ki skip?
No, it's
What are?
Ari number 3.
Oh, sure. Can you go with the question paper mo ka re ke na le yona in paper? Okay, let's go to number 3. You can skip. Ito re senyetsa nako. Number 3 ere 2 times 3 to the exponent x equal to 81 subtract 81 subtract 3 to the exponent x, right? Okay, let me try to increase to at least stable on your side. So sharp. First step, I got to lorena le 3 to the exponent x.
Yeah.
Okay, rochia 3 to the exponent, negative 3 to the exponent x, raisha to the left hand side.
Okay.
Let's do that. You already know what when it crosses the equal sign, what happens. So 81 yeki re ka engwala as 3 to the exponent something. 81 e lekana le 3 to the exponent ba. On a calculator.
Yeah. 3 to the exponent 4.
Sure. Thanks. Yona re ngwale as 3 to the exponent 4. So re na le equation like that akere. This one ke nyaka re phatlalatse and or let's just take out, what do you call this thing, rinche 3 to the exponent x as a fact because e gona mo e bile gona mo rinche 3 to the exponent x as a common factor, so ka mo ro shala ka 2 plus 1 again range ya to range as a common factor because ankar 3 to the exponent x times 2 go vale 2 times 3 to the exponent x, then 3 to the exponent x times 1 go vale 3 to the exponent x. So our changes in still the same, which is equal to the exponent form. So 2 plus 1 is 3 again. R divided by what is inside the bracket, like the whole equation with what is inside the bracket. Or we divide what is inside the bracket, is 3. So ora gore mo botse ntho ro shalang ka yona ka mo re divide ka 3 ora ro shala ka 3, and remember gore 3 is also a o ka no ngwala as 3 to the exponent what yo so
To the exponent
3
1.
danko. So let's write it as 3 to the exponent 1. But remember what re divide ka 3 both sides. Or like a more in that order. So this 3 you cancel this 3. Then using laws of indices, same base again. What do we do? And we having same basis, and then we are dividing. Subtract the exponents again. So sharp of 4 subtract 1 ka bukai.
3.
Ka 3 again. Subtract 1 is 3. So roshala ka 3x. 3 to the exponent x equal to 3 to the exponent 3. And then again using laws of indices, when bases are the same, we equate the exponents.
Our x is
or let me no, can you admit someone moku? Okay, sharp. Re-equate the, what do you call the exponents again? So what are x? Yara nakabukai to 3, and you can prove it if maybe what doubt. So that's how it should have been. Arego question here latela. Do you mind if nkabuela morago to accommodate this one as a chosen?
okay, no problem.
So I can moon maro mona motho a tsene mo.
Yeah, but ke pretty.
Lema.
Yeah, pretty.
Oh.
Mara aso dear. Hi, Ari.
Happy regular.
Wa Pierre mara asa buli Mike.
Hello, pretty. Kwapala o bule mic wa gago. So re kgone go bolela le wena. pretty sure how much.
No, I saw good.
Okay, I don't know. Let's do this one. X squared. It's x squared. Subtract 5 equal to 2 root x.
Mana okay kushisha. I thought or maybe
Okay, key skip.
yeah.
So let's do this one, which is 3x subtract y negative whole square. To this thing is simple plus
Yeah, it's simple. Let's take it brilliant, man. Just that
this thing as it is in not go solve x. When you solve x, I get this part ya ka mo fela. Control C, Control V. One of this part must.
okay.
It's a binomial, like so it's the same as like in Catering. How about if something like that? Or not x subtract 5 into x subtract 5. Again, something like this. It's the same. Kara party. It's on a so who solve x we know something like this. How to tell ya whole. No trauma what declare or x equal to 5 or x equal to 5. That's how it is. So even this one we got the same way. Ronaldo trick refeed again. So sharp. Rotoma pele ka di separate. Rojia side le ka mo ra equator le 0. After equating it, you
Put up because ubuchi camera.
come on. Come on. So sharp or separator these two things. I get 3x minus y all to the exponent 2 le this one. Let this one x subtract 5 equal to 0. So more ya tseba gore ga re ka tšea square root both sides o go balaya square to se ro shala ka what?
X minus 5. X minus 5.
Ro shala ka x minus 5 agar. And then on the right hand side ro shala ka eng?
Ora Roshalaka X your 3x minus y.
No, ke sa lebeletše this one.
Oh, Roshalaka 0, yes.
Ro shala ka 0, sure. So once re shala ka 0 go ra gore we can conclude gore re ka tšea 5 e ra transpose to the right hand side. So our x will be equal to 5. Again? So that side. Let's come to this one. Now we are going to do the same thing. Ricky isheka moto kuchi scanty step. Hi man, why is Amali lint? Okay, no, it's fine. It's fine. So normally 3x minus y squared equal to 0. So ntoro idiramo ro tsentsha square root both sides ra shala ka 3x minus y equal to 0. The brackets are necessary. Let's see, Evan, can y into it so? Ro shala ka 3x minus y equal to 0. But we know the value of x. Again, we know what an x are na ke 5 again. So more spacing sa x ro replace ka 5 subtract y equal to 0 or recreate the value of y. So 3 times 5, which is 15, probably 15 minus y equal to 0. Let's take 15 to the right hand side. The two relate to okarwa anara loka ka Vaseline. Okay, reach 15 risha to the right again. Okay, fine. Oh, what we are doing actually, re subtractor. Agar ka morna le 0. Re subtractor 15 kamo, agar. Ra wara subtractor le kamoki. Reach 15 ra subtractor on both sides. So 15 a cancel a 15. Kamara shala ka negative 15. So ra 15 ga cancel a 15 ro shala ka 0 kamo. Meaning ro shala ka negative y equal to 15. But then we need the value of y, not the value of negative y. So R divide both sides or multiply both sides ka negative 1. So the y value is 15. And you can always check more wanang y wa 15 and then more wanang x wa 5. And then tell me or you for 0 now.
Okay, chef.
Hmm?
Sorry. Gotta keep checking.
Sure. Preto salo wana mo meeting mo routine.
Salon.
Ntho re dirile mo wa ikwisisa o
I bona ke be se ke like phone ya ka be sa nshi dilo je ibe ro bolela mara e sa ngwana
then anje tso ya ngwala.
ana bele bona e thoma ngwana.
Okay, sharp. Ke ta idira gape mara for now let's continue re number 1.3.
Okay.
Shadi, are you winning?
Yeah?
Are you winning?
Yeah.
I reckon some more add someone in the meeting, but if I start in, Arnata Barina virtual pin. Okay, fine. Ricky, different. Number 1.3. We are given P. Okay. And if guys you don't understand, you don't understand. Let's go no more.
Okay.
So RP equal to eight plus 2 plus 8 to the exponent x. Four to the exponent x plus 3 the exponent x. Already expanding, so that over visible. Yes, this is the equation that we are given. So the first thing first, ntho re o e dirang ko lore ko direng re ngwala 4 le 8 kore like re dira gore 4 le 8 di tshwane, like we are going to make them the same by writing them as effect.
Jwang.
Go ka re mo di ma calculator, if you have a calculator go ta 4 again war 4 war equal to wa fetša mo go ta shift again
Yeah, our factor.
war fact e tlo go fa
2 to the exponent.
yo fa eng
2 to the exponent 2.
so dira le 8
Okay.
So, like you're leaving me behind.
yo fa eng
2 to the exponent 3.
2 to the exponent 3 again.
Yeah.
That's what I meant. So I change for here it 2 to the exponent something. And then in also this one read 2 to the exponent something. Can only 8 get 2 to the exponent man.
Sorry.
Okay, danko. Now the bases are the same. Okay? So I deal with this one. Let the brackets to remove the brackets. So pretty boring. Hello. Pretty. Oh, boring couple.
Okay, ke be ke bitša gore na le re replacer 4 equal to, from there replacer shift, after shift what do we press?
O go ta fact nyaka button e nang le fact mo go di ma calculator.
Okay.
We grade. So go e press yo fa bokae?
It's another 4. I change.
No, kerele press for or equal to. O press equal to. Then shift fact.
Get a 4 equal to shift and fact. Yeah, I change.
Oh, it's impossible or it's change. It's impossible or it's change. Chia video we did on to send on WhatsApp. Can you go on something?
Okay.
Sure. Okay, let's continue. When I was going to, I need to remove the brackets. I get. Reshumisha the loss cha the exponents. Garinali more than one barking exponent. What do we do? Or rigging wale so. Let me write it this way. Finally a again to the exponent b, like that. Redirect so.
Is equals to a to the power b times c.
B times c. I got redirect so. So are finishing this thing. And let's use this thing here. Or a to the exponent c times b equal to a to the correlating really, so we can write it this way. So remove the bracket again by multiplying or roaring 2 times x again.
Yeah.
So 2 times x are about 2x, then in 2 again times 3, which is 6. Like we are going to do the same. Rabale 6. Okay, fine. We are close to finishing. So the next step, level like a 2 to the exponent 2x. Oh, I break it down first. So 3 is the same as is the same as 2 to the exponent x times 2 to the exponent 6. Udumelana lena.
2 to the exponent x. Oraya ka godimo a 2 to the exponent 2x plus 6.
Yeah, this part is the same as so we are breaking it down what we're doing hey.
Oh, no. What about that 2? I could get 2 to the exponent 2x. Then what happened to 2?
Which 2? Oh, yeah, get Lucas. So obobolela country so again.
Yeah.
So
And then still come off actually. It's not 2 to the exponent 2x, it's 2 to the exponent 3x.
which one? Kamuki.
Yeah, the first one, come off fast.
Oh. Okay, fine. That was a minor hiccup. Let's continue. So from here, Roger 2 to the exponent 2x ka mo godimo akere 2 to the exponent 2x re na le ena mo ebile re na le ena mo ro mo tšea ro ntšha 1 as a common factor. So go ro intšha as a common factor re ntšha 2 to the exponent 2x as a common factor go raya gore ro šala ka go ba le 2 to the exponent 6 ro ba le 2 to the exponent 2x into 2 to the exponent 6 plus 1. So le ka mo fase we are going to do the same. Re tšea 2 to the exponent 3x as a common factor, meaning ro šala ka eng?
Exponent 6 plus 1.
Thank you. 2 to the exponent 6 plus 1. Re ke check video ya okay. I kgone go kwešiša gore why calculator o sa dire. Please bring me your calculator. I took it. Okay, fine. Let's continue. Ntwe le ya ka mo godimo di a tshwana akere. So ge di tshwana mo ke ora root again, they will cancel.
Yeah.
Akere.
Yeah.
A kgone go kwešiša gore why ba re keng ntho ya pretty e sa dire this thing. Nko e dire mo wena shadi o nsende le ona ka mo forward le ona gore e ba jwang.
What's up, ne?
Ee. Shadi o kgone go accepta like batho ba ba nyako join.
Era ke bone.
Okay.
No. Accept. Maybe you're the one because you are no hostilemus.
Thanks for video sharing. Okay, okay, this person. Sharp. Let's continue. Pero to gona bona screen saka or
No, I'm still struggling.
yo. La ganja choice bunch. Wena shadi was born.
Just move on.
So I can say boring. What do we do? Do we continue or what?
Yeah, we can continue. Maybe I can try to write while checking the typing because na screen saka sencha like as if we like a WhatsApp.
Oh. Okay, Shabo move. I got a 2 to the exponent 2x over 2 to the exponent 3x. In brackets akusayibala because it real. The cancel again. So like 2 to the exponent 2x again. Subtract reach 3x reach ka godimo. Yeah, by subtract 3x. So 2 subtract 3 ka bokae?
-1.
-1 again. Fine. Hele -1 or o shala negative x. 2 to the exponent negative x. So we simplify.
No, we can write it as 1 over 2x.
Yeah, you can do that. Yes, you can write it that way. It's up to you. So rekatswela pele.
Yeah.
Sure. A re go question ya go latela. The next question, I got if okay. Can no paste and check it. Yeah. Sorry. I just paste this thing because we are going to need it. If p equal to 8, again, solve for x. If p equal to 8, so more p go replace 8. I think over something like this. Here, 8 gets in check. If p equal to 8, solve for x. So nka ngwala s. Okay. Ke nyaka re be simple. Ngwala so nka tšea 80 ka mo isa ka ko. Can still write it this way. I like to do that. Hello.
Yeah, go tell it you are allowed to do that.
Okay, sure. If it's like this, and are ngwale 8 in terms of 2, just like we did re resolver, we simplify and drill.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we ngwala in terms of 2, so roaring. Ngwale 2 to the power 3. Because 2 to the power 3 8 our changes are still the same. So the bases are the same. What do you do when the bases are the same? You equate the exponents, so negative x multiply equation, the whole equation can -1. So or multiply the whole equation can -1, x will be equal to negative. So there, of it, you solved for x. Okay, another way you can do this. There's always another way. But solve for x if p equal to 8, okay? Kadirisha the logarithmic rule. Or log 8 equal to log negative x base 2. Okay?
Yeah.
So the law of logs. Negative x e ka tamoki multiplier log 2 or log base 2. So let's write it that way. We're going to copy and trick. Get your fault that I get okay. The key copy okay, in fact. Yo, to me. Yeah. Using the law of logs or more negative x really more. We can write it as negative negative x log 2. So we divide both sides by log 2. So arrow divider, we want the value of x. So this one. Divide both sides log 2. So log 2 this side or cancel log 2. And someone up and check with my calculator or log 8 over log 2 ke bokae? It's 3 again. So ra shall 3 equal to negative x. And then if we have 3 equal to negative x, but we are looking for the value of x, what do we do?
Right.
We can either swap 3 and x around again. So go swap negative x to the left, or change a sign about positive again. Then re fetša mo re swape 3 re mo ise across o cross equal sign over negative, so x equal to negative 3. Ngamile o bo itšela matshwao a gago. Let's go to the next. Ke delete lo tše gore ke no di lesana mo.
I ke tsebe nna.
Wena o bona
Re ka no di tlwaela. rena bangwe ta ba ya dumela hore re kgone ho bona allow then re kgona ho di screenshot.
Sure. Okay, Ricky, this coming question. Yeah, this is the equation. Okay. Okay, the first step here we dirang ro remove a cube root. I can a cube root mo. Do you know what re ke ngwale ntho x to the exponent
Sorry, sir. Remove number man, because I can't see anything on the screen.
dira number 1.3.3.
Okay, thank you.
X to the exponent 1/3. Again, it's finally is the same as the cube root of x. What do Melo Okay, fine. If you agree, then let's remove the cube root. Remove the cube root again. So what is inside or what is under the cube root. So robali what's that thing? The square root of 13 subtract the square root of 5 all to the exponent 6. Okay. So I raise that to the exponent 1/3. Okay. Because we are removing the cube root. So ndiro idirangamo. Roidira also on the other side. Okay, fine. I reckon no jang to ke copying. Or avoid ngwalang to it then paste it this side or change the sign. Something you to reaching. Wa khona bona re ke to reaching.
6L.
Yeah. So let's edit. Karara tshwanela change selo on the equation. It must remain the same. Sure. So this equation will be like second. I remove a cube root. So I apply the laws of exponents. When we're going to apply laws of exponents, for the person who lorong sa join, o gona bona screen. There's someone who lorong fetch join angel.
Yes.
Okay, sure. If renal is something like this, again. Nje, re ka ngwala so. Okay. Meaning that the exponents, when you raise a base to another, when you raise a base to an exponent and to another exponent, what do? You multiply the exponents. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So let's multiply those exponents. Multiply the exponents, which are 6 times 1 over 3. Okay.
6 times 1.
6 times 1 over 3. Get 2 again.
Enough.
Roaring on this side. We shall like a 2. In my place. To the side lelagam. Shall like a 2. I can remove the square brackets. So equation A come hold. Are expanding. Re-expanded this thing. To those who do not understand. It's a raised to the exponent 2. Wakana ngwala gabedi. Lagana ka mo, okay, let's do the same. Re ngwala gabedi. Yes, into end step by reducing this thing wording. So re ngwala gabedi like this. Get 2 brackets because they are square. Okay, let's begin. Habetse ke nyoko no ngwala final answer moke. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
And the square root of 13 times the square root of 13 ka bokae? Re lebeletse this. Okay, re ke so. Let me open the brackets first. Re lebeletse the first bracket. The square root of 13 times 13 ka bokae? The square root of 13 times the square root of 13 is 13.
Yeah.
Okay. The square root of 13 times negative 5 negative square root of 5.
It's negative square root of 65.
Okay. What ka bokae?
Negative square root of 65.
Negative square root of 65 again. Okay, let's continue. ra bua gape ra ba le mosento ke ya ke bušeletša kere this one.
Yes.
Okay, ke no e ngwala gape covering it won't make difference. Then in r multiply negative square root of 5 times root 5 times negative root 5. Okay.
In -5.
No, it can't be -5. It's +5.
I think the negative square root of 5 times
negative root 5. It's negative times negative, which is positive, and square root of 5.
Times 2.
What?
I thought you're saying negative times positive.
It can't be positive because they are all negative.
Yeah. Very well.
So ra roshala ka 5 figure.
Yeah.
So these two things, they are more or less the same. The difference ke sign. The difference ke sign more na le negative, more na le positive. Okay, fine. Arno Copandrick. We are going to copy this thing, change the sign. Correct, they are the same. Or let's just do it anyway. Now we refocus more bracketing, the second bracket. Square root of 13 times square root of 13.
It's 13.
Then in square root of 13 times square root of 5.
Square root of 65.
Square root of 60. Then in square root of 5 times square root of 13.
Square root of 5 times square root of 50.
Of 13.
It's square root of 65.
Square root of 65 again. Square root of 65. So the last one, root 5 times root 5.
It's 5.
It's 5. Okay. So let's add the like terms.
Like times current bracket early.
In both brackets, Artomegamuki.
13.
13 plus 5, again.
Which is 18.
Which is 18, again. So Rarnal 18 subtract 2 something.
It's or negative 65. Negative square root of 65 minus negative square root of 65 is negative 2 to the square root of 65.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So Kamuki, I think Cordia 13 plus 5 will still give us 18, again. And then Ravasi root 65 chepid, which is plus 2 root 65. So ntho so e tshwana le ge e leng. One of the ways it is. Okay, re ke ngwale so re ke ngwale in terms of a's or x's. If renal is something like this, sorry. Yo. Okay, sharp. If renal is something like this, in its x squared minus y squared.
X squared minus y squared.
Yes.
Oh.
This thing is the same.
Mm.
Repeating this thing. Yo, this person was join exit.
I'm sorry, Kitsa Jena ka phone you. Yeah, now I can see.
Okay.
Phone you. That's why I join us so many times. I'm sorry.
Sharp, it's fine. Why one of us? The highlighted part. Okay, highlight. Repeating the difference between two squares. Or if you have x squared subtract y squared is the same as x minus y into x plus y. So Renalio and again.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Are s x squared minus y squared. This thing, this expression as x squared minus y squared. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. Excuse. Okay. Capacity something a mistake. So our y in this case, Kingi, to root 65. And our x is 18. I reckon my level is at least this thing. You can work it out. 18 squared to okay. Hello? Eh?
324. 324.
324.
Yeah.
18 squared to 324. Agar.
Yeah.
Then there 2 root 65 all squared. Make sure we be in brackets or or square everything.
26.
Kingi?
260.
How can level? Sorry, okay.
260.
The first one will be 324. Agar. Am I right? Minus 260. Like this.
Yeah.
So 324 minus 260. Okay.
64.
There we solve it, we simplify it, which is 64. That's your final answer. And even if what your calculator punch this thing as it is, or the map calculator, it must give you 64. You can do it on both your Fabukai. And everyone while in Karamitinook. How much do you get? Nigeria or
Ready. Lana calculator error.
I will wait about it. Type a mokoilen kawan. There's no way where ebe error if we type it about. Wana pretty ekara wana shad. Yo fabukai.
Yeah. Hey, 64. Ke kry-ile ke 64.
The other one, the other person who's in this meeting, wana okarele bukai. I think who exiting.
Brenda.
Ketra
I'm still doing it.
Okay, Branda Mama Shade. Okay, fine. Ele saber kana leona so. Brandon romele message mo WhatsApp. Kinyo go sendela something. Guys, one thing I noticed, most of you lapala go shumisha calculate. So once into offer error, just know gore our type of calculator about. Okay, fine. Let's continue. Sorry, this thing will just waste our time. Question 2, okay? Which is a sequence. And if anyone has understand, understand. Oska humana re tswela pele. Wena le someone o lorong o left behind.
Okay.
Ke question 2 ya rena mos. Ka moka na rena question 2 ya rena so agere. Okay, fine. The first step, write down X and Y in terms of R. X and Y in terms of R. And we were told that this is a geometric sequence. Everything while on top. We were told that this is a geometric sequence. Now, geometric sequence, to get to the next term, we null the first term, Ojia the first term we multiply the ratio again. If in a geometric sequence to go to the next term, like to calculate the next term, ojia the first term again. We multiply the ratio again.
Okay.
Meaning moving to if we really more second term again, renyaga the next term, which is y. Oboruchia the second term, I multiply the ratio. Agare really arithmetic re add a difference again, common difference. So ka geometric re multiply common ratio, and that common ratio re create by dividing consecutive terms. Like if x over or this guy divided x ke term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. Engare term 2 over term 1. It must be equal to term 3 over term 2, which is the same as term 4 divided by term 3. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let's multiply x by that ratio to get to the next term, multiply that ratio. So roaring bargaining to get to x, or recreate the value of x in terms of r again. Rochia the first term, which is negative 4 over 3. I multiply that ratio, which is unknown. That is the value of x in terms of r. Okay, fine. There's something I can call Bonchang. Are you familiar with this thing now? Ka geometry okay. Le familiar with this thing? I think it's always the more information sheet. Tn equal to ar to the exponent n minus 1. Hello, homoja gets a ring.
Yes, we're familiar with it.
Fine. So really term number 2. Even if we were to use this general term, Tn equal to a to the exponent ar to the exponent n minus 1. Okay. Let's try to do it that way. So Tn in this case we over x again. Our a, which is negative 3 over 4 again r, and then in n level x get term number 2 again, index sequence again.
Yeah.
It's term number 2 in the sequence, or over 2 subtract 1, and we know or 2 minus 1 okay. One, of which we can choose not to write it. It's up to you. So roaring what's oshala ka negative 3 negative 3 over 4 r. That's how we got it. So the same thing we did the value of y, which or y equal to, and y get the third term in the sequence. So over it's term number 1, 2, and 3, which is term number 3 subtract 1. So 3 subtract 1 ke bokae?
2.
So more like this thing. So in this case, only x and y in terms of r. Well, that's how you do it. Writing x and y in terms of r. So let's go to the next question. The next question, Erin calculated the common ratio. That is the next equation. Ghana, we know what ratio. If ratio equal to divide consecutive terms. When you're calculating ratio, divide consecutive terms. Okay? Meaning it will be T2. Okay. T2 over
T1.
Yeah, by equal to T something.
T3 over T2.
Thank you. Which is the same as
T4 over T3.
okay. For as long as you understand this part, then it means we can continue. Do you all agree or a ratio in a geometric sequence? So
Yeah,
fine.
I do.
Yes.
So are you missing this thing or the information that we have? Or okay, re ke copying trick ka gore ke avoid out ka boela morago ga change. So ntho ke dira mo ko no replace. Okay, it's fine. Nka bereka ka one side. Nka tšea this part only. Nka na T2 ya rena ke bokae?
X.
T2 ya rena ke x akere. So a re be le x, and then in our T1
Minus 3 over 4.
minus 3 over 4. No, T2 ya rena is not x. Three question, you will lead to the other question.
Oh, yes.
Mo godimo ga 2.1.1 re ngwadile x in terms of r.
Yes.
So ra re santse re šomišeng doing re ka sa šomiša x because now we know gore x e lekana le mang. Re ngwala ka mokgweng ka gore ge re ka ngwala x we rumula x ya rena e lekana le minus 3 over 4 times r, and then in Kamugi. Yeah, wait to term number 3 arna king
minus 3 over 4
Oh,
times r squared.
r squared again. R squared, okay. Nambile term number 3 arna. Kira term number 2.
term number 2 yarna ke negative 3 over 4r.
Negative 3 over 4r again. Thank you. Fine. This is how it should be. So focusing on this one. Yeah, neke highlight lim. Highlight. Focus on this part. Eke highlight lim ka yellow. Woka levelela minus 3 over 4. Rena le ena ka mo godimo le ka mo fatshe akere. Di ka scrapan.
Yeah.
Just to make it simple. So get cancelana so. When this thing to cancelana, Rosha laka r squared over r. Okay?
Yes.
So 2 more monotonially renal r to the exponent 1. Okay? Or ring 2 you subtract 1.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay. 2 subtract 1. Okay? Rashalaka. Okay, let me take it down. Lana kamuki, we can still do the same thing. Divider logic. Rashalaka r. Okay, let's leave it for now. Okay, kamuro shalaka r. Okay. So RE is the same as in terms of fractions. Nothing changed, still the same. Okay. So let's draw cross multiplication. 1 will multiply. Okay, I multiply. So there we cross multiply over minus 3 over 4 because we multiply k 1 over 4 r equal to. There's something that doesn't make sense. Oh, okay, it's fine. Equal to
So didn't you say on the other side that it's highlighted? You said we're remaining with r squared over r. Since those two ones, they cancel each other. And we're doing the same with this one, wherein you said we are remaining with r over 1. Are we not supposed to end it at that point? I'm just asking.
on your like r.
Angry minus 3 over 4 r go divide by minus 3 over 4. Whereby in this case, are they not cancelling each other? Rarshalaga r over 1.
Okay, check something. There's something that doesn't make sense. Term number 2 which is okay over term number 1 equal to term number 3. Okay, fine. Let's do it this way. forget go cancel a logic. Bring it back like this. So multiply if it's like this. Redirect cross multiplication or multiply or multiply. Okay. So negative 3 times negative 3 over 4 times negative 3 over 4. Okay.
It's 9 over 16.
9 over 16 again. So rebel 9 over 16 r squared. Again, this one times here. I still you know about the same matter.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I see where the problem is. If I change this 3 times and o.
But still.
No, let's do it, you'll see. I got a 2 over 9 go. The problem core more no more 1. For as long as no more 1, was at loan create the same results. So
if ever shumisha 2 over 9, it can be number 1.
Solver for r. So r limit the number of r's. Equation. So robally 2 over 9 again. All over. Yeah.
You mean who shumisha T2 over T1 and T4 over T3?
Yes. Yes, Rogia or Rorie, I got T4 over T3. I got Yaleganali T3 over T2. Can you reach me?
Okay.
Can you go to the source? This one negative forms. I'm going to show this X. I'm going to show this Y. So Garlo Kochia T4 over T3. Kyle Kanchali T3 over T2 agar. So T3 are nasik, then T2 okay, negative 3 over 4. Okay. Sharp. Now we sharp we can solve for R. So okay. But I did you can just take it straight away or multiply 2 over 9. Okay. Minus 3 over 4.
Negative 1 over 6.
Negative 1 over 6 again. Oh, okay, divider. Okay, cancel a working logic. These things. Cancel a logic. Cancel a logic. Then in 2 years subtract 1 Rashalaka R. The same thing every appeal. So Ravali 2 over 9. 2 over 9 Yoko Eda. Hi man, Ereki during so can you copy this thing ya ka mo godimo go avoid out thata ka ngwala ntho e tee gantši. Necessary for now. Roshala ka R kam, okay? Which we can still write it as R over 1, okay? R over 1 re cross multiplication. Ero dira cross multiplication roshala ka ore 2 over 9. Over 9 equal to negative 3 over something over 4 r squared r cube r cube
Not R squared.
eh
R cube, not R squared.
okay, so re na le this thing agar r dividing both sides ka minus 3 over 4 or go tsala ka r cube. Two over 9 divided by negative 3 over 4.
Negative 8 over 27.
Negative
Over 27.
negative 8 over 27. Okay, sharp. Negative 8 over 27 equal to okay, r cube again. Faka cube root on both sides.
On left hand side is negative 2 over 3.
You find negative 2 over 3.
Yo.
Meaning your r value can anyway. But again, negative 2 over 3. That equals your r. So after finding the value of r, by rootering,
you don't have like 10 rand marketing now.
can I let 10 rand cash?
Cash come borrow you want to.
In check our school big sale. Come. Again, determine the values of x and y again. So lay the value of r to save time. R replace r yela. R what we got, which is minus 2 over 3. Draw the calculator and then just give me the final answer.
1 over 2.
1 over 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Or roaring. X yao is 1/2. Okay.
Okay, number impa 4,5. Is that
4,5 is puncture this thing as it appears.
-3/4 into
That's true.
-2.
Okay, can you go banana something? Can you go banana run about it?
Oh, yeah.
Into our way, guy. I got more
Unless like you're saying, calculate.
You know, go banana something. This thing is the same as negative I can still do the same. Negative it still reads the same. So my -3 times -3 okay.
Negative.
I got -3 times -2.
Oh. Negatives. Yo, -6.
Is 6 I got. So R times 4 times 3.
12.
12 I got. So 6 divided by 12 okay.
1/2.
1/2. So answer again 1/2.
Okay, let's continue.
So go into the to the value of y. Okay. Replace R ka -2 over 3. Gana really are -2 over 3 again. Okay. So can you go the same way can what it remains the same. Doesn't matter what you logo e bitsa o thoma or -3 over 2 Okay, fine. Really like this. I remember the ones inside bracket first. Or -2 over 3. -2 over 3 squared. Your form okay. -3 over -2 over 3 squared okay.
4/9.
Over 9 agar or ono tshwana le ga re multiply ka 4/9. So 3 times 4 e dirile ka pele re file 12 agar. What times 9 ke 36 agar. Oh, I simplify. It becomes how much?
-1/3.
-1/3. So what the value of y it's like that. And this is the value of x. We can prove it. We can prove it. The equation reveals -3 over 4. Okay. Rari x ka bokae ke 1/2 again. go ya ka mokgwa re kry-ileng ka gona. And then y ya rena re kry-ile bokae?
-1/3.
-1/3. Over 3, and then ra ba le 2/9 again. Okay, fine. Shumisha that thing this for calculate the common ratio. Calculator the ratio like.
Yeah, it's correct.
It's correct. Okay, so meaning re ka tswela pele. The next question. Calculate the sum to infinity. Okay? Sum to infinity. The formula gona nka nere
as infinity is equal to.
Is it correct? Oh. It's like this.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. This is the formula. Then in R replacing A, our A value is -3 over something. Over 4. And then R like okay.
-2/3.
-2/3. Okay, fine. Negative times negative are for positive again.
Yes.
Negative times negative are for positive. So higher for positive yalo. Or ka moro ro shala ka 1 plus 2/3. We are remaining a -3 over 4. -3 over 4. Okay, fine. Kamo denominator ke na le 1 plus 2/3 agere. Ke nyoko ngwala s. Ke nyoko ngwala gore e be 1 barking denominator. So this thing is the same as our changes in 3 over 3. 3 over 3 ke bokae?
1.
Ke 1 again. So ko ngwala this way because ke nyoko ba le 1 denominator. So really like this, re add the numerator and then re keep only 1 denominator. So this thing will be the same as plus 2. Maseverina le 2 ka go ra keep denominator 1. So 3 plus 2 ke bokae?
5.
Figure. Okay, fine. Morar kamu robale roshala ka 5. 5/3. So avoid go ngwala the division tse dintsi, like in the division lines tse dintsi. Ntse re ka ngwala as, okay, let me copy this thing on top. Shumisha this division line. Kara this thing re ka ngwala so. Re ka ngwala so, again. At least e kgone go ebe neat e kgone go baleng. So ntwe ge re change division to multiplication, numerator becomes the sorry. Can you correct change barking this division line? Re multiplication kara division e re replace ka multiplication, okay? So ntse re dirang ka mo go 5/3 ro tšea 3 ra mo isa ka godimo ra tšea 5 ra mo isa ka fase.
Okay.
Then 3 ya multiply 3. Meaning ro shala ka negative 3 times 3 ke bokae? Okay, negative something. Okay. 4 times 5, okay, I think it's 20.
-9.
So that equals your answer. The sum to infinity is -9/20. But then in all the steps they are completely unnecessary. But then I was just doing it for those people who are go shumisha calculator, or at least we simplify before you can punch it on my calculator. It's easier this way. So step is completely unnecessary. You can just do it on your calculator. Wa punch and do as it appears.
Okay.
And you should also check question 2 marks. So one necessary or address the episodes still so for 2 marks. Okay, fine. Let's go to question number 3. Let's go to question number 3.
So before reading question number 3 again. Necessary. How can I? What is the shortest version? The sum to infinity. Because we're gonna punch right away to the calculator.
Yes, that's what I said. You just take it as equation. Okay, let me go back to that equation. Yeah, sum to infinity. Okay. Equation something like this. Is it an equation or formula? Or a formula? Okay. So a formula so again. So the value of A. Okay. The value of R. So replace A got the value you have and R got the value you have, and then we punch out with my calculator. So you far straight to the answer.
Okay.
And always remember gore go ina le negative a kere bona mo godimo ga formula re na le 1 minus 3 again, and then the value of r that we had, it was negative something again. Really like this ka mokgwa o beile ka gona. E be in bracket unless if your ratio is positive.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay, we can continue.
A re tsene mo go e ya go latela. Question now latela e re Sn equal to minus 3 plus 5 18 plus 21 to n terms. Minus 3 plus 5 plus 13 plus, okay, to n terms. I gotta consider the series to n terms. Determine the general term of the series in the form. Okay. But determine the general term of the sequence. Okay. Tn equal to an plus b. Like this thing like this. It's an arithmetic series. Again. Hello?
Yes, yeah.
Because when you are quiet, I can't ask a question and then we're quiet.
Okay, noted.
It's an arithmetic series. So in an arithmetic series, that's about a common difference. So let's get to it. 21 subtract 18 to okay.
8.
Yeah, 8 again. Then you're done. What are your differences? 8. Because even if you say 13 subtract 5.
Yeah, it's still 8.
Yeah, there's no need to test accordingly. 5 subtract negative 3. It will still give you 8. So you have a common difference, which is 8. Okay, let's find the general formula. In 2 ways. This thing we check. So let's
A. A tiki A or tiki D.
or if
What
you're
is the difference?
if you're going to use bargaining, if you're going to use it like if Ushmisha Tn equal to An plus B, the difference repeat 8 again, and then Tn will be your first term again, and then more space inside n or the other position in the term.
B.
Tn will be equal to your first term, which is negative 3. Okay. Then A A will be equal to your common difference. Again, meaning N is the position of Tn.
Okay.
Okay, sharp.
We get to reach position.
I read that way. So Tn currently
Give us time, which is
first
negative.
term, -3. It all works. Lego guys, I'm at term number 2. Which is the difference is 8 again. And the position is 1 again. More position 1 again. Okay, fine. So probably -3 equal to 8 plus B. Again?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. RJ 8 remove across.
-11.
Okay, -11. Okay, fine. Or B equal to -11 again. Okay. Yep. So really like that. Now I conclude. I can conclude into a jumper. You can conclude by saying therefore. Therefore, Tn.
Can say more like 8 into 1 plus B again. Arishi 80 on the other side of equal sign. Yeah, change sign. Yeah, -3 plus 8.
8 is positive if you can check. So it can be plus if it was positive in the first place. 8 is positive. So when you cross an equal sign, it becomes negative. That's why I'm looking.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm
so that is the value of Tn in terms of An plus B. Currently, even if you use term number 2, it will still work out the same. So if we were to use 5 again, are equal to the difference, which is 8 again, into
2.
5 again. Thank you. Plus B. 8 times 2, okay.
16. 8 times 2, no? 16, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah. 16.
16 again. 16 plus B. So it's here 16 -11. Okay. Is our bushecha bana kwa berlo gona ger. Or B equal to -11. Sharp. Go to misha term number 3 or more N. Over 3. So on and so forth. So the second way you can do this thing, Luena was a save. Maybe Luerata good. Okay. If I include there for you. Mara since in your pex get the another way you can do this. Roll A plus N into D into N minus 1. Get the second way. Different approaches, same results. So we're replacing Gana a year okay. Negative
minus 3.
okay.
Oh, minus 3. Sorry.
And in D, which is 8. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I get the bracket. Okay, Ricky copying this thing. I think it's easier or Ricky copy. Okay, fetch a editor than or Ricky to rent it range. Robale 8 times a nigger. You're far 8 nigger. Then Rabale 8 times negative 1. You're far okay. Negative 8.
Yeah.
Okay, sharp. Add to the like terms.
Negative 5.
So
8
Robale
and
negative 3. I get negative 3. This negative 3. Again. Minus negative 8.
negative 5. No,
Negative
so
3 minus negative 8. I can say negative 5.
negative 7.
If 11 again.
Yeah.
So Tn okay negative 8. Okay, Tn is equal to negative 11 plus 8n. But then you go back to the question earlier while in the form of Tn equal to an plus b. So earlier while like that, we imaging. So you can still take 11, negative 11 across. It's the same thing. 8n minus 11. So we are done with this working question 3.1. And I'm sure you are all familiar with this step, with this one.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Number 2, you are in sigma notation. In sigma notation. In sigma notation. Ngana equation are net mambukai. Negative 3. Again. Then n equal to something. N equal to 1.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah. Then you go to send. Okay, reckon one. Yeah, but 8n minus 11. So ke ka mokgwa o tshwantse o ngwala ka gona in sigma notation. Basically o ngwala ntwe this thing and then wa tšea formula la gago wa e bea kua nameleng ke moka o feditše wa collecta 2 marks ya gago. So re na le nngwe še ye I think ke tlo need a whiteboard gore ke kgone go e di. Re ke share this thing whiteboard. Wait a minute while it's studying.
Take a question paper yang ngwamange.
It's not a question paper, it's an exemplar. Exemplar question
Okay,
paper.
thank you. Because I didn't prepare for this session, but I would like to have remained. Marasika Pielvan, unfortunately. So would you be able to make the recordings available?
Okay, sure.
Thank you. I appreciate your understanding.
Shush. Okay. Remember to analyze this question paper. Can I remember to analyze this question paper? Yeah, return. Okay. So, I reckon question. Every Q1, I get Q1 is negative something, negative 6. I get. So Rabali Q2, which is negative 6 minus 3. So this thing could be the final answer smoke. Negative 6 minus 3, which is negative 5. Okay. Then in Rabali and Weari. Negative 6 minus 3 plus 5, which is negative 4. Then the other one is negative 6 minus 3 plus 5 plus 13, which is 9. Then in Rabali we are minus 6 minus 3 plus 5 plus 13 plus 21, which is 30. So Ranale equation issue become whole. You write down a numerical expression for Q6. Okay? Q6 is simple. Okay, re ke boeleng go Microsoft Word. Ke berekeng ya Q6. Then o ka lebelela from minus 3 to 5 ba edile 8. Again, from 5 to 13 ba add another 8. Then 13 to 21 ba add another 8. Okay, fine. Oro add another 8. 21 plus 8 ka bokae?
29.
29. O feditse ka ntho eo ka Q6. So a ro dirang ela ka ko ela bekeng wala ko.
Hi Des, ngicela ungifakeleze amadlezana zasentweni esesaf khona isemila epokothini. Kwezibhokisi zilapha esayidini ndive kusilungu okugqibela ufake impahla phambi.
Mogosha jo tsamaile. Okay, we are back. Ronya difference
Oui.
so re nyaka difference rore 30 minus 9 ya re fa bokae?
21.
21. Okay. So ra re setse ka 21 mmoki. Then le mo re dira the same. 9 minus negative 4. Then R minus 4 minus negative 9. Yo fa bokae? Eh? Minus 4 minus negative 9. Yo fa bokae?
4 minus negative 9.
Eh?
5.
5. So minus 9 minus negative 6.
Minus 9 minus negative 6.
Yo fa bokae?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. So you can see gore e formule a new sequence. Yellow re bentse re na le yona e re thoma question 3, which is minus 5. Which is minus 3, 5, 13, and 21. So we already know the story. I got ya gore mo what happened. It's about the value of D. We don't have to calculate it again. Already recalculating. Which is 8. Okay. Okay, fine. Once I create 8, I Q129. Again, or century create the formula first. Ntriki ribicha yanga ile so. Sorry, this thing young walaka. Or let me just go back to drill. So Rojo la pelega that thing I got difference are like 8 I got. So rovalente something like this 2a equal to 8. Recalculate Ntwela very alone a quadratic sequence. Okay, it's a quadratic sequence because in the first term calculated the first difference, then from the first difference calculated the second difference, which the second difference was common, meaning it's a quadratic sequence. So 8 divided by 2 error 4. Roaring, the value of A is 4. E equal to 4. So if we were to continue, 3A another 3A plus B equal to negative 3. 3A plus B equal to negative 3. Negative 3. Then replace A what we got, which is 4. 3 times 4 is 12.
You eat myself.
Okay.
Okay. And what is it in here?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi.
So Raja 12 Raisha across. Are you still there?
Yes.
Okay, sure. I think after this question, tomorrow. How do you see it?
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Okay, -3 minus 12 minus 3 minus 12, which equal to
-3 minus 12. -15.
-15. Again.
Yes.
Okay, if I know the value of b, it's -15. So Rabali a, okay, let me insert a formula or about a plus b plus c equal to -6. Again. -6. So the value ya a right there, again, which is -3, again, relike 4, again. Then the value of b yaba minus, the value of yaba minus 15, again. The value of c ke yone le horeng a re itse ke nyaka go copy this thing. So 4 minus 15 ke bokae?
4 minus 15 minus 11.
-11. I ka ka mo rošela ka -11 plus c equal to plus c equal to -6. I get so sharp. RGM -11 re mo ka kua ga equal sign, or re add 11 ka mo ke. We are going to add 11 ka mo ke. Re be re mo add le ka mo ke. What we do on the right, we also do on the left. So 11 will cancel 11. Ba cancelana. Yeah. Ba cancelana nambili or 11 ile ngwe e shela ka kuwa yaba -6 plus 11, which is
+5.
Which is +5. Thank you. So what the value of c is 5. So normally the value of a, which is 4, value of b, which is negative. Okay.
-15.
So re ka ingwala on this thing as a in terms of an equation or a formula, just t n equal to a yarna ke 4 agar 4n squared plus b yarna ke -15 agar minus 15n plus 5. So there one only formula, but then remember what to but fill in terms of q's. Okay.
Ee.
So from here ro dirang ro nyaka Q 129.
Okay.
Nang N o e replace ka 129. Namile wa puncha godima calculator o feditše o e tšela maswao a gago.
Plus 15, negative 15, negative 15 by 129 plus 5. Inka 64634.
Or ka ba kay?
64634.
634. There. That equals your answer, then of feditše. Unfortunately, by the time you join the meeting, ebe šetše re dirile ba re keng? Ebe šetše re dirile question 1. A ke sa gopola gore wena o joinile re dira eng, mara already be šetše re coverile most ya di-questions tša question 1.
Okay.
So ntho nka e dira ene le godimo ga recording this 1.1.2 a eo ga ra e dira o rile re skip why understand. So ntho nka e dirang le wena njatše is that question, and then the rest ka tao sendela the link to the rest recording for other questions. Or are we
Okay.
so ntho e ro e dira 1.1.2 ra dira le 1.1.4, then the rest o tla di kry-a godimo ga recording ya this meeting because šetše re di dirile.
Okay. Thank you.
So if I kwešiše anything in the recording and then ra bona gore direng. Re ke expand at least e kgone go bonagala ka gore le nna ke lebeletše godimo ga phone, so I want to be sure gore ya bonagala. Okay, fine. I think this one is clear. So in bracket are correct, okay? Correct to 2 decimal places. Ke ka mokgwa equation e leng ka gone ka kra question e leng ka gone. Okay, fine. There are two ways of doing this. Okay, go venture the simplest way of solving an equation like this. The first step, o tšea 13, okay? Wa bona 13 wa mo crossisha equal sign, okay? Ga o crossa equal sign o dirang
Over minus.
Over minus, okay? Wa re equal to 0, then o feditše. O ka no labela lo tša gago gore e ska ta yo phazamiša go e tsentšha godimo ga formula. O ka no re A equal to 1, okay? B equal to 1, C equal to -1, -13. Or go e tsentšha go e plug into the formula o tsentše the right things. So let's add on to that formula. Okay, fine. Can you go insert this formula? I think this formula it's a ke mang le mang. It is. Moshimsha this thing agar x equal to negative b. Okay, Ricky copy and paste it. So currently b ke bokae?
B is 1.
Okay, or I'll replace a bigger one. And then in Laganamo you do the same. Our A's.
A is 1.
This one. Okay. CR na kabukai?
C is
Negative 13. Okay.
so negative 13.
All over 2A, which is 2 times 1. So Fedit, just think I'm going to appear and go on away punch out with more calculate over answer. And take note or another plus minus. I got another plus minus. So we punch out with my calculate. Sancho belly 2x values. Or okay, Ricky the so. Try we simplify.
Okay.
Try we simplify. I simplify katomaka what's inside the bracket or more. Renale 4 times 1 times negative 13. I got negative 52. I got what we did out my calculate. Or a roshalaka something like this. Negative 52. I got then in Kamot more about 2 times 1, which is the same as 2. I got then 1 squared in Uchanile 1. I got so negative times negative are for positive. I got so get to share logic ke plus 52. Ke to share le trick le bracket ke sa le bothoko. So really like this 1 plus 52 ke bokae?
53.
53. So if we simplify or shall like something like this, negative 1 plus or minus square root of 53 over 2. So I break it down. I get x to share into a plus it's plus or minus a plus kamo and then rar or ke re ke fokotse gannyane ke fokotse font gannyane gore
Okay.
e ke nyoko re be on the same side as kaya. Okay, mara itseng ya ba minus so ka bereka ye ka bo yona a ke re godima calculator gago so ra ro shala ka minus o shala ka minus minus 1 plus square root of 53 over 2 simple to decimal. Your first x value x will be equal to 3,14 or x equal to something the remaining one.
Okay.
Minus 4,14. So we really to 2 decimals. We want a decimal which is 3,414 le minus 4,14. So or solve x doing that, following the instructions. And if question leave your answer correct to 2 decimal places, just no worrying. I factorize here. There's no way you can factorize it. So or use this formula. And what I like about this formula, question ya maths ke solve for x and ke barking quadratic equation, quadratic formula ya tsena. If o palla ko create the factors, just go straight to quadratic formula, you fa the right answer, provided gore o kgonne go substitute the values tša gago gabotse. O ka kgona go substitute gabotse, namile a ona ntho e le goreng will stand in your way.
Okay.
Ke ka mokgwa question e la bo shantse o e dirile ka gona. So the last one for today ke ya the square root. Okay, x okay, re ke dira so o na le x squared ka mo to save time. X squared minus 5 equal to 2 root x. Root x. So re na le ntwe like this. Ro thoma pele ka go remove square root. So square root is or re se remove. Santse re direng. Ntho tsa le gona. Re remove a square root again. Ro direng. Ro square up both sides. Again. Square up both sides. Both sides. So squared over square root again.
Okay.
Squared over square root then ngra shala ka eng? Ro shala ka x squared. Ka re na le x squared re ke no mo tšea x squared minus 5 a lekana le wa bona mo 2 ntwe le mo this one ke ko ngwalle yona gore e tshwana le ge re ngwadile jwang re ke ngwala ka fase ga this thing o tshwana le ge re le no tshwana le ge ile so go ra gore ro square 2 ra ba ra square le the square root of x.
Okay.
So 2 go e square yo fa bokae?
Ke 4.
Ke 4 agar ro ba le 4 and then the square root of x go e square square to plus square root agar square to plus square root so ra shala ka eng ka what is inside the square root which is x. So go ra gore botse o shala ka x squared minus 5 equal to 4x agar. Okay, fine. R transpose 4x. Arrow transpose 4x. Re ngwale in standard form 4x o cross equal sign again or over negative. Then ka kua ra shala ka 0. Or over x squared minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. As our equation. I think yeah factorize. So refactorize. Let's do this. Let's factorize it. the factors tja 5 like the factors tja 5 or are to make the factors tja x squared. The factors tja x squared ke x and x
X and X.
X and x so ra roba le x factors tja 5 re na le 5 and 1 okay equal to 0. Eba negative and negative because mo re na le positive okay and then mo ga re na le negative ebo so ga re ka re minus 5 minus 1 yo re fa minus 4 okay there's something it doesn't add up okay ka se re fe minus 4 yo re fa minus 6
so why G positive side
ke nyako bona gore re phazamile re ta kae moke. Oh, I see where the problem is. 5 is supposed to be negative because it's only negative. Okay, levelela even moke it's minus 5 not positive 5. So ka re na le minus le minus the signs must be different. So this one you have a positive, then the other one you have a negative. So get the factors tja rena ka mokgwa di leng ka ona. So to complete this Rory x equal to something x equal to 5 or re ka no re x minus 5 equal to 0 come in or come in x plus 1 equal to 0.
okay all that equals minus. Okay, thank you.
So x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0 okay re ka dintšha re ka tšea 5 and negative 1 ra di across so or x equal to 5 on this side or x equal to or like re ke no shumisa or ka re ke dira ntula he ngwala lo tša yona x equal to negative 1 ka re tšere x plus kra plus 1 ek ra iša ka kuwe ya ba minus 1 so but then you must be very careful go bereka ka like when you're solving a set equation e lo reng na le square root always shantse o tšee the values tšeo di kry-ileng o di tsentšhe ka re ga the equation and check gore e go fa the right hand side na if e sa go then the other one shantse o scrap. So if o ka e dira godimo ga calculator wa re square root of 5 squared minus 5 part 2 square root of 5 again in part 2 square root of 5 which is the same as 2 root x so okay level so re ke tšee negative 1 all squared minus 5 empire error so this one is not applicable. Always you must indicate go tlogetše answer ga go like this go e tlogetše like this about awarded full marks so shantse o scrape the one e le goreng go e plug in the equation are you fee the right hand side so our x should not be equal to negative 1 but x should be equal to 5. So the value of x is 5.
Thank you.
So yeah, I go something. Question 4 from question 4 when you are available
What time tomorrow?
I can say maybe we're not Amboja, or I will check with batho ka moka ke bone hore ba available at what time, and then we take it from there, because ke nyaka at least ge re dira everyone should be there.
Okay.
Re avoided this thing ya hore o khumana batho ba joina late, and then we have to go back and forth, and you will not re dire e be simple.
Okay, no problem. I'll hear from you.
So but can you end this live barking? I was recording this meeting, so can you go? I want to stop recording, and then in Kiti, ke kgone go share barking the recording.